Hey guys, Portia here, and today I want to share with you all exactly how to press a pre-made DTF print onto a t-shirt. It's a question that I get often, so I decided, hey, let's go ahead and make a really quick video and show you guys exactly how to do it. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright guys, this is the image we're going to be using in our example today. This is a pre-made DTF transfer. So as you see on the back, we have the matte side and there's a bit of texture here. And then on the front is the shiny side and you clearly see your image. I ordered a gang sheet from Ninja Transfers, and this is one of the leftover images that I have. I think out of the gang sheet I had like several images and I only have like 2 left. Well, technically 3. But we're gonna go ahead and put this one on this black t-shirt here. Now I have already found my center, so I pressed the center line down the black t-shirt. This is a small cotton t-shirt. And what I'm gonna do now is just go ahead and position my image here. And let me find my t-shirt thingy-mabob. So I always like to go with like 3 inches down, and that's going to put us at approximately here. And I am going to use a bit of heat transfer tape to ensure that my image doesn't move around, because who wants that? So we're going to press this. Now we do have to do 2 press. The first press is going to be 310 degrees for 15 seconds, and we're going to do this at medium pressure. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, so that is all done. And now guys, this is a cool peel. So what I'm gonna do is allow this to cool off. And when we say cool peel, we looking at about what, 15 to 30 seconds. You ain't gotta like wait till it's ice cold. But let's go ahead and wait for this to cool off, and then we'll be able to peel it off. All right guys, we have completely cooled down, and I wanted to bring the camera a bit closer so that you could see the peel. Now, as we peel, we don't wanna rip it off. We just wanna go kind of slow. And just, I guess you don't gotta go too slow really. It's almost like pulling up sticker paper, so you feel the grip a little bit, but it still comes up pretty smoothly. So let me set this aside. This looks pretty good, guys. And what we're gonna do next, like I mentioned, we have to press this twice. We're gonna go ahead and do the final press. Now the reason why we do a final press is to really solidify the image into the fabric. So when we wash it, we want to ensure that this image is going to stay and not, you know, go anywhere. Like that would suck, right? So I'm going to place my parchment paper down to protect the DTF image from the heat. And we are going to go back in once again another 10 seconds. I'm sorry, another 310 degrees for 15 seconds. All right guys, there you have it. We are all done. Let me go ahead and pull this out. All right guys, so this is what we have. Now I really love this image on black. I started to do it on white, but I think the white would not have done the colors as much justice. I think that the black really allows the colors to pop. Now, as far as the image itself, it feels really smooth onto the t-shirt. So that second press, guys, is really important. So don't forget to do it. The image itself feels like it's like a part of the design. And like I said, I've used these pre-made DTF transfers before, and I haven't had any problems with them peeling up or coming off with the wash. As you saw in the peel, it came up super clean. It wasn't no like extra pulling, and there was no color left on the transfer sheet. I can show you guys that. So all we have pretty much is the negative space from our original design. But yeah guys, this is all I have for you today. I just want to share with you all how to step by step press a pre-made DTF design onto your shirts. If you got any questions or concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. Found this video helpful or just plain old entertaining, could you give it a thumbs up, guys? But as always, until next time, peace.